Hello, hello, hello! Well, by the title of this video, you guys already know that today I'm going to be showing you a DIY Valentine's Cup goodie ideas that my son and I made for his classmates, and honestly, they are awesome possum, like he says. So let's go ahead and get started. Here I have red and pink 12-ounce plastic cups, lids with a straw opening, plain oat scissors, a hole puncher, curling ribbon, Valentine Day pencils and stickers, and I also decided to add pencil erasers and these frog jumping toys. And of course, you also need your kid's personal preference of Valentine's cards, and in this case my son chose the 3D flip dinosaur Valentine cards, and you also need your choice of candy. So let the fun begin.